Hey guys, it's Seki Junior here. How's it going? So today in this video we're gonna this is my first vlog actually. So we're gonna just play this village in Pantwadi. It's near Masuri. So yeah, so going to this place is a house. It's quite domestic actually. So yeah, we're gonna stay there, and I'm filming this vlog to promote that place. It's actually quite well unknown. I think it opened only last year or something. So yes, we're gonna visit this place and see how what it's like. Here we go. So yeah, so in this village Pantwadi, I think it's about 100 to 150 kilometers far from Masuri. So we're going to this homestay. Going to this homestay in the property named the Goat Village. The property is named the Goat Village. So we're gonna go to a homestay there. It's quite basic actually. It's styled like actually a villager's home. So and there's no electricity in fact. There is no electricity, so we get to experience the life of villager over there. So this is quite a new experience for me. So yeah, let's see what it will be like. So right now we're driving to a place near Akshardham. From there we're going to meet some people who will then guide us to this village. So we're going to go via Dehradun and Masuri to this village Pantwadi and the homestay. So guys, another quick pit stop for lunch. We're at the famous dhabas of Dehradun. So you can get great food here. You can get milk, you can get curd, you can get cottage cheese, you can get butter. Yeah, so you get great food here. So, so yeah, we're gonna quickly have some lunch here before we hit the road again. So guys, we have finally reached the spot. Oh, after 15 hours of sitting in the car and like almost 1 hour of trekking, like the trail was too narrow for the car. We left the car somewhere down there. I don't know if you can see it. It's too down far below. Then we trekked for an hour to get here. We trekked almost 3 to 5 kilometers. So anyway, we here. It's quite larger property than I expected. Yeah, but beautiful scenery, guys. This is a remote place, but the scenery is absolutely mind-blowing. Just wow. So let me just quickly show you the property. Second. Yeah, so here we are. Well, as I said, there is no electricity in this place. I wasn't kidding. There are no power points or sockets except in the kitchen. So it's all natural lighting. No hot water. But the scenery from here is absolutely mind blowing, as I said. Like absolutely mind blowing, guys, and yeah, it's kind of nice to get away from the rest of society and just relax for some time. So yeah, so this is where we are staying right now. Let me just show you the cafeteria and the kitchen. Yeah, guys. So this is the cafeteria. Okay, quite basic. So yeah, This is the cafeteria. So yeah, quite a nice place. Hey guys, so we are currently taking a short tour of the hills that surround the property. And as I said before, this is a beautiful scenery. Let me just. Like, it's absolutely brilliant, guys. The scenery is just amazing, and yeah, you can tell you enter the hill area because you don't see so many trees. It's mainly just shrubs. So yeah, that's just really how high up we are, and it's actually getting quite a getting cold actually because of the high altitude. So actually we circled back so because you can see the property here. So we are on the hill that is overlooking the goat village. So I just want to show you the magnificent scenery once again. So yeah, so yeah, it's been fun on this trip has been so much fun. It's we have been trekking for I think about 15-20 minutes. So yeah, we got to see a lot of nature and scenery. Okay, so this is the dog on the property. His name is Chilbul. This is Rimjim. Say hi, both of you. So we are finally leaving the goat village. It's been a wonderful experience for me. So we are trekking on the way down. I didn't get the chance to cover it on the way up. So here we are. We are trekking down to the part where the car can actually go, and here we are. It says 1 kilometer, but that's in that way. So we still have about 2 kilometers to cover. So yeah, glad we had a breakfast this morning. We'll get energy to cover it. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So but at least we have the scenery to enjoy while trekking. I think this trek is about 4 to 5 feet wide, so it's sufficient. But as we go down, we'll see that the trek gets narrower and narrower to about a foot wide. So we'll have to be careful then. So yes, as I said, it's been a wonderful experience for me. It's been a relaxing experience, and this is actually a promotional blog for the goat village because it's quite remote and very few people know about it. So I encourage you to take time out from a busy schedule and visit this wonderful goat village. So I provide a link in the description through which you can find out more information about the about the goat village and how you can get to it. So yeah, that's all, folks. Thanks for watching this video. Do leave a like on my channel, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.